Welcome to Learning with Dr. Shivangi. Today's topic is economic environmental factors affecting business environment. As in the previous videos, we already started the playlist for the subject business environment and also discusses various topics related to it like meaning of business environment, nature and objective of business environment, and so on. So in today's video, we'll discuss about the economic environmental factors affecting business environment. You can also watch other videos, links are provided in the description box. So before I started the video, I want to say you that if you like my video, please like and share this video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel, which is Learning with Dr. Shivangi. Now coming to the main topic, which is economic environment factors. So there are different types of economic environmental factors which are affecting the business environment of any organization, which are as follows. So these are the factors: stage of business cycle, inflation rate, prevailing interest rates, fourth is unemployment level, next is labor cost, next is levels of disposable income and income distribution, next is taxes, and the last is tariffs. So these are the several economic environmental factors which are affecting the business environment of the organization. Now we discuss here each of the factor one by one in detail. So first one is the stage of business cycle. If the economy is going through a recession, it is obvious that businesses generally will not be doing so well due to low aggregate demand in the economy. On the other hand, a boom period will lead to higher business profits and revenue for most of the businesses in the economy. As the business cycles has different stages, and they also shows the level of profits or revenue generated by the company. So it denotes the economic factor which affect the business organization. The next factor is inflation rate. A high rate of inflation leads to lower purchasing power for consumers, resulting in lower demand for goods and services. Moreover, a higher inflation rate will make businesses uncompetitive in the international market, leading to lower sales for the business. So when there is any country, there is a higher inflation rate, it means there is a lower demands of goods and services because of higher prices of the goods and services. So inflation rate also affect the business environment. The next factor is prevailing interest rates. Higher interest rates will lead to a fall in aggregate demand in the economy, thus leading to difficulty for business to find customers willing to buy its products. Lower interest rates will lead to an increase in demand in the economy, because if there is low interest rates, more consumers take interest from the market, so the demand will also increases. The next factor which comes under economic factors is unemployment level. A high level of unemployment in the country can also adversely affect a business. People will not have enough money to purchase a firm's product. So for generation of money or income, there should be flow of money within the country. So in the case of unemployment, purchasing power decreases and the demand will also decreases. So it also affects the market. The next factor is labor cost. High labor cost will result in higher production cost. This will make a firm's product more expensive as compared to other firms, affecting its sales and profit margin. So higher the labor cost will higher the production cost, which is also affect the business cycle or business organization growth. The next factor affecting business environment is level of disposable income and income distribution. A high level of disposable income is good for business producing luxury goods. A large disparity in income distribution will promote businesses dealing in luxury goods as well as inferior goods. So the income distribution among the consumers also affect the business organization growth, because if there is a higher income, then the consumer product purchases more luxury goods. If there is a lower income, they can't purchase the luxury goods. The next factor affecting the business environment is taxes. A high level of taxes will lead to low disposable income and contraction of demand in the economy. Businesses will find it difficult to attract consumers because of the taxes. And the last factor is the tariffs. Tariffs are taxes imposed on imported goods. If the tariffs are low, the domestic market may be flooded with cheap imported goods, and the local businesses will have a tough time selling their products. Whereas if the tariff is high, then the imported goods are selling in the higher of demand. So these are the different factors, economical factors which affect the business environment. I again summarizes all the points so that you can easily understand about the topic. So what are the different economical factors affecting business environment? These are stages of business cycle which represent the different types of development stages of the businesses or organization. Inflation rate also influences the consumer behavior. If there is a higher inflation rate, then the purchasing power will decrease. Third one is the prevailing interest rate. If the interest level rates are low, then the demand will increases. Unemployment level also affect the organization growth. If there is higher unemployment, then the purchasing power will decreases. Labor cost also affect the business environment. If the higher labor cost, then the product price will also increases and the demand will decreases. Next one is the levels of disposable income and income distribution. If there is higher income of the consumer, then he can purchase the luxury goods, and if there is lower income, then he can't purchase the luxury goods. Next one is the taxes. If the taxes are high, then the prices will become also high of the products and services, and the demand will decreases. And the last one is the tariffs. Tariffs are the taxes which are imposed on the imported goods. If the tariffs are high, then the internal goods or country goods and services demand will become high. So these are the different economical factors which affect the business environment. If you have any query about this topic, or if you want to know about any other topic related to research methodology, business management, business environment, you can ask me through comment box. If you like my video, please like and share this video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel, which is Learning with Dr. Shivangi. We met in the next video with new topic. Thank you everyone.